I ordered a couple of these brush cutter blades for my trimmer to try. Now I have been using one of the blades and it's been working so well that I decided I was going to go ahead and share these. But if you are looking to tackle a lot of brush, vines and stuff, I'll show you a demonstration here real quick on some blackberry vines. But here is the blade. I'm going to keep this one in the wrapper for just now. It's got nice sharp edges, and this one's really thick. This one's heavy duty. This is going to be more for your bigger trimmers, especially your gas ones. Now today I'm going to be using it on my DCK, which is just as powerful as a gas one actually. All right, let's head over here where I've been trying to work on a lot of these vines. And the vines were all the way over here. It was connected with this bunch too. So I've slowly cleared all of this. And I've also been clearing all the way up there. All right, so here are a bunch of vines. I'll show you how well this thing works. So there you go. If you're looking to tackle some heavy duty brush or vines and stuff, definitely get you some of these blades. They work awesome. I don't have my mic on, but a quick update where I did a lot more until the battery died. And then I mulched it with the mower. But man, you guys got to get one of these blades if you want to tackle some extreme jobs, brush, vines, whatever it might be. Because this blade is pretty awesome. I'm never going back to string.